In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow mature content to be displayed on your Facebook account. So if you want to enable sensitive or mature content to display on your Facebook account, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. First, just go and log into your Facebook account and then go ahead and tap on these three lines. From here, scroll down to settings and privacy. And if you tap on it, you should see we have this option for settings. Now under this, scroll down to preferences and you should see content preferences. Go ahead and tap on content preferences and scroll down under what you see to sensitive content. As you can see, it is set to show less, meaning this account can barely display sensitive or mature content. To turn this on, go ahead and tap on it and then choose default here. And here you're told you might see this content. Go ahead and tap on save. And you're told here you may see sexually suggestive content and also certain violent or graphic content. If you're okay with this, now you can go ahead and tap on OK. And this will go ahead and reflect or affect your changes. However, you have to note that with this, you should be careful with exposing your Facebook account to minors. So that's how you can allow mature content on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.